installing an A&L fuse for a 300ZX. So I'm just going to take all this off real quick. That one. Then that one. Then the fuse. And the cable. So you want to put one cable, one washer down. Then you want to connect. And you want to put this down. The fuse right there. I don't know if you can see that. So what I did was I kept the one washer on. Boom. And then this is going to be your battery cable right there. Then you put your fuse on. It's just for the one side though. Put your fuse on here. And you put your washer, if that works for your arm. Put your washer. And you put your crush nut. And you put your nut. Well, yeah, nut. Now, let's go hook the rest up to the other side of the car. So, pretty much you do the same thing for the other side of the car. So I have these. So the next thing I will put on here will be my cable. Plug the fuse. Then this washer. Then the crush nut. Then a nut. So let's go put it on the 300.